All right, so this is 4K, 30 frames per second and 4x3, the Action 2, flying it on my KISS quad. Already scuffed up the right-hand side of it, which sort of sucks, so I'm gonna have to definitely get that case going for it. It is very light, so I definitely have to do some tuning to these PIDs to accommodate for that, but this is just a raw flight, sort of first impressions. Let's see how it does. Thing even recording still? How many minutes was that? 4 minutes, 55 seconds, 4K, 30 frames per second. It's still recording. I'll be damned. Is it hot? Doesn't really feel hot to the touch at all. It's like 85 degrees out. Holy shit, I still have 22.3 volts left. That's 4 minutes. Fuck it, I gotta turn it back up. I gotta burn this battery. Still recording. 7 minutes. Damn, that's impressive. That's impressive. Is it hot now? It ain't hot. Maybe I was wrong about this thing. Maybe I was wrong. That's how I have it mounted. Hopefully you can see the reflection. That's how I have it mounted. It's not even hot. I did scuff it. I'm gonna have to make a TPU case. I put Care Refresh on it. I never do that, but I don't trust myself with this. I'm impressed. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me. My successes only made them envious. They got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so and so. You not a threat, cause I really know so and so.